Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Wix site look good. First, select a professional template that truly reflects your brand's identity. This foundational choice sets the entire tone for your online presence. Next, establish a consistent visual language by choosing a cohesive color palette and no more than 2 or 3 complementary fonts. Finally, always prioritize high-resolution images and videos. Wix automatically optimizes images, making them approximately 50% smaller for faster loading. Now, let's talk about layout and user experience. A clear, intuitive navigation menu is paramount, guiding your visitors effortlessly through your content. Think about how people interact with your site. Effective use of white space prevents visual clutter, making your content easier to digest and more appealing. Crucially, ensure your design is fully responsive for mobile devices, as over half of all web traffic comes from phones. A well-structured layout keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to explore more of what you offer. Defense is just as important as offense in Mortal Kombat 1. Mastering your blocking technique will significantly improve your survivability. Remember to block high for overhead attacks and low for sweeps. You can also jump over low attacks by pressing the up direction on your controller. Pay attention to your surroundings. Many stages offer interactive elements that can be used defensively or offensively to turn the tide of a match in your favor. Finally, let's explore some advanced tips to elevate your Wix site. Consider integrating custom code or third-party applications from the Wix app market to add unique functionalities that set your site apart. Always prioritize optimizing loading speeds. Compressing images and minimizing scripts can significantly improve performance. Wix automatically converts images to AVIF format, which is highly optimized. Lastly, actively gather user feedback. This invaluable insight allows you to continuously refine your design, ensuring your site remains both beautiful and highly effective for your audience.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.